In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a video with pictures and music on TikTok. It is very quickly and very easy, okay? First of all, I will point out that this process works on any device, okay? I'm using Android, but it's the same process on iPhone. What you need to do is log on your Instagram account, okay? And log and swipe to the right, okay? You select the background that you want to put on your TikTok video. Okay, in my case, I will put a black screen, but you can upload a photo or a video to put on the background. After doing that, you need to click on the second option, okay? And you need to find this option right here, okay? In my case, it is here, but in your case, may be different. So find this option, click on top, and here you will put all the pictures that you want to put on your TikTok. Okay, after doing that, you will click on the second option again, and you can also add stickers. Okay, if you want, you can also add stickers. In my case, I will use just like that, but in your case, you make look good. Click on the last option on these three dots and click to save. Okay, so save your story and come to your TikTok. Then you need to click on the middle button on TikTok and click right here to make an upload on TikTok. Okay, you need to select the story that you create on Instagram, and here you will add the song that you want. Okay, in my case it is on Portuguese, but it's the same process. So click on this music icon and search for the music that you want to use. In my case, I will use this one. So confirm, and after doing that, you just need to post your video with pictures and music. I hope I helped you on how to make a video with pictures and music on TikTok. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.